Hello everyone! So if you want to control your iPhone 12 Pro with just your eyes, there's a cool feature introduced in iOS 18 called eye tracking. So let's go into it. Open up your settings, go to your accessibility, and now find your eye tracking option. Tap on it and enable your eye tracking by tapping on the switch. Now we will need to follow the instructions, so bring your face and let me show you how it looks like. As you see, now we are to follow the dot with our eyes and it moves on the screen. So complete that and let's go back after we completed it. Alright, now as we've completed the thing, as you see, I'm moving my eyes and the phone is reacting to it, right? For example, let me turn off the eye tracking only using my eyes. Yep, easy as that. And we turned it off without using any hands, only using my eyes. Which just sounds crazy. It's like a piece of future in our hands and I really love this feature. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.